Yo, what's going on, Mafia family? It's your man, Rick the Dawn. I'm up very early, like 6:30 in the morning, and you already know what time it is. It's time to, clean your house. And of course, today I got some really dope things going on. I hired a private chef to come through tonight, or this morning. It feels like tonight because all the lights are on and, it's like 6 in the morning, but I got a private chef coming over and he's gonna make breakfast. So that's gonna be pretty dope. I'm gonna share the experience because I think people perceive these type of endeavors to be like super expensive. It did run me like $465. However, at the same time, if the food is good, then what's money? You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. That's what's going down today. Chef Chris, how long have you been doing this?
I've been cooking professionally for over 15 years, and then, been doing this on my own for about 3 years now.
I mean, I love pineapple. I'm so glad you was able to find some. It's like my favorite fruit.
Good.
And it's fresh. Ooh, look who's about to, oh, you want some fruit?
Yeah.
All right, don't get too full though. You got a whole bunch of food to eat. Man, I don't know how you knew I love chicken and waffles. God bless you. I'm stuffed. We got tons of leftovers. I mean, I'm about to bag this up and use this for smoothies. Still got that to bag up, this to bag up. And then look at all the extra food, man. Crazy, right? So overall, a great experience. Certainly worth it. And shout out to Chef Chris, man. We'll be doing this again. But anyway, y'all stay up, man. Happy, what is it? Saturday in my universe. Happy Saturday, good morning, and go have fun today. Yeah.